At Royal Containers, our customer portal shows you the status of your orders in real time. You can create new orders or reorder anytime from anywhere in the world. Get started by visiting royalcontainers.com and press the Customer Login. Enter your user ID and password, then click the Login button. You will now enter our online ordering portal. You can easily build a quote by selecting the required materials, styles, and products. Your quote is presented in real time. Each customized and quoted product receives a docket ID. At the Dockets tab, you will find your personal database of every item you've ever created. You can add your dockets to a basket. From your basket, you can print your quotes, request samples, place your order, or create a project. Need to see the status of an open order? The Open Orders tab will tell you exactly where your product is in the manufacturing process. All of this in real time. You can extract reports to help you manage your order. These reports include open order status, shipping location history, detailed shipping schedules including bill of lading information, inventory history graph, and invoices and accounts receivables. Call or email us today, and we would be happy to help set up your online access account.